In this video, we'll be showing you how to properly use Roberts 1487 Engineered Wood Flooring Adhesive. An advanced acrylic latex, solvent-free adhesive ideal for installation of engineered wood planks and parquet flooring up to 12 inches wide. 1487 is used for on-grade and above-grade installations and covers up to 55 square feet per gallon depending on trowel type, substrate, and installation conditions. We recommend you visit robertsconsolidated.com to view the latest technical data sheet for comprehensive substrate preparation instructions and installation techniques. All substrates must be flat, clean, and free of substances that might inhibit the bond of the adhesive or the performance of the flooring or its installation. All cracks, chips, holes, joints, or high spots in the substrate must be adequately repaired. When installing on a concrete substrate, follow industry-recognized standards for moisture testing to ensure it is dry and within the tolerance of flooring and the adhesive product. 1487 should not be used when moisture vapor emissions rate exceeds 3 pounds or when RH of substrate exceeds 75%. With preparations in place, let's move on to installation. Prior to, during, and after installation, maintain a consistent temperature between 65 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit and ambient relative humidity of 65%. Spread the adhesive evenly using a trowel, following the recommended notch size for your specific flooring type. Ensure well-defined and consistent ridges across the substrate for full coverage. Do not allow the adhesive to skin over, so make sure to work in manageable sections. You'll have an open time of up to 20 minutes and a working time of up to 30 minutes. Press the board firmly into the adhesive and periodically lift the board to ensure 100% transfer of adhesive has occurred to promote a void-free bond. Roll flooring installation per manufacturer's recommendation. Plan for 8 to 10 hours for curing time, but remember, environmental factors and substrate porosity play a role. The adhesive may dry or cure faster or slower depending on conditions. Patience is key as your flooring sets to perfection. If adhesive gets on the top of your flooring, it can be removed using warm soapy water on a clean cloth. For dried adhesive, mineral spirits applied sparingly can be used, but always exercise caution and follow label instructions. Do not pour cleaner directly onto flooring. 1487, like most adhesives manufactured by Roberts, are the only adhesives to include Microban antimicrobial technology, providing around-the-clock product protection from the growth of stain and odor-causing microbes, including bacteria, molds, and mildews. For further assurance of the effectiveness and quality of our products, we offer 2-year shelf life and a lifetime warranty when installed in accordance with the printed specifications performed by industry-certified professional installers. For installation questions not covered in this video, please contact our Technical Services Department at 706-277-5294 or visit us online at robertsconsolidated.com.